nervous. I got this idea in my head of this hairstyle that I want to try, but before I glue it in and make it permanent, I'm going to make sure that it fits my face. So you're going to need a curly unit bundles for this. It always be somebody with a wig like this in their profile trying to tell me what I'm supposed to be doing with my hair. I'm nervous. I've been watching way too many 80 movies. That's why I'm in here looking like Donna Summers. Stick with me. We're going somewhere. I promise we're going somewhere. I'm gonna start curling it, just don't cut too much. And then I'll trim. Again, what needs to be trimmed. This is going to be curled quite nicely. Y'all see the vision? Y'all see the vision? Do you see the vision? Do you see the vision? I seen the vision when I started cutting it. I become whoever the fuck I want to be that day. That's my superpower. I just really be turning into different pictures. And I love that for me. To the back, I'm kind of curling a little higher and not just the ends because I want to give curl. I'm kind of almost curling the whole thing because I want to get curl and not ends back there, if that makes sense. I'm gonna do this side and then I'll be back. I am almost finished and it's giving easy E. Ooh, it's giving easy E. But I'm going to fluff it out so it's gonna give more Donna Summers, right? But right now, ooh baby. It is giving straight out of Compton, crazy motherfucking name. It's easy even in that song. But right now it's giving straight out of Compton. I don't care. I ain't taking it out. I ain't taking it off. That's a good thing about a wig. Like if it's ugly, I can just take it off. But if I would have glued it in my head, I was gonna be stuck. But it's cute. It's cute. It's just need to be fluffed. You need to dry, poof, and fluff. So don't get discouraged. Don't get discouraged. Dry, poof, and fluff. I'm gonna be back. Ain't nobody told me nothing. Why this long piece back there?
I'm gonna have to cut it. It look crazy.
It look crazy? Do it look crazy? Is it giving rat tail or do it look crazy? Bitch, I woke up and gave y'all curls for the girls. I woke up and gave y'all bitches curls. I gave y'all bitches curls.